Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'll show you how to teach online using Google Meet. Quick, simple, and effective. So first, of course, head over to meet.google.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. From here, just click on New Meeting and choose Start an Instant Meeting. So of course, from here, grant access permissions to use your microphone and camera. And once your meeting opens, you can now copy the class link and send it to your students. In the small window in this left corner of your screen, just click on this copy icon. This will then copy the link that you can then share to your students. You can share it through Messenger, email, Google Classroom, whatever you use. Before you start teaching, check your tools. At the bottom, you'll see the buttons for mic, camera, and captions. Turn them on or off as needed. To present your lessons, you can start sharing your screen. Just click on the share screen button. And here you can share your entire screen, a window, or just a specific tab. Then just proceed by clicking on share. And next, for class control, you can use the host controls. You can just click on this lock icon found at the bottom right corner of your screen. So click on it. And here you can mute your students, turn off their camera, or manage hand races. The chat, which is this icon, and the activities tab that you can access through the meeting tools lets you share files, start polls, and create breakout rooms. And when you're done, just click on Leave Call. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!